Engine control rooms serve as the nerve center of any spacecraft, managing propulsion, navigation, and life support systems. In a crisis, access to and control of this room can mean the difference between survival and total disaster. If hostile forces or malfunctions disable the engine controls, catastrophic crashes or loss of life support become imminent threats. Quick, tactical decisions made in these rooms can prevent a ship from plummeting into a planet or being lost to the void. Securing the engine control room is vital for mission success and the safety of everyone aboard.